I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make elderberry juice. This simple process involves just a few key ingredients and steps. First, you will need fresh or dried elderberries, some water, and your preferred sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup. It is crucial to clean the berries well, removing all stems and leaves before you begin cooking. To begin simmering, combine 2 cups of elderberries with 4 cups of water in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Allow it to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the berries are noticeably soft. During this time, the berries will release their vibrant color and beneficial compounds into the water. Once the berries are soft, use a spoon or potato masher to gently mash them against the side of the pot. This helps release even more juice. Next, carefully strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Make sure to press down on the solids to extract every last drop of that precious liquid before discarding the pulp. Now that your elderberry juice is ready, it is time for storage. Pour the warm juice into sterilized glass bottles or jars. You can keep this delicious juice in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For extended preservation, consider freezing it in ice cube trays or other freezer-safe containers. This way, you will have a supply of homemade elderberry juice whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.